Welcome back to the channel. I'm Andy and I'm an enrolled agent, and today I'll be giving you bookkeeping tips to help you better organize your business finance. If you're new to business or if you've already been in business and you want to improve your company's bookkeeping, then this video is for you. Bookkeeping for business owners is super important and deserves the utmost attention. And I'm sure you probably heard of the statistic that 9 out of 10 small businesses fail. And not only that, they fail because of financial mismanagement. This is really not a surprise to me because most business owners are not CPAs or accountants. So at the end of the day, accounting is a language of business, and if you don't understand it, it can make it harder to conduct business the proper way. Now, the unfortunate thing is, I would say most bookkeeping finances are skills that can be learned and mastered, which is probably why watching this video is going to be very helpful to you. And also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay, so to help you avoid the headache of possibly mismanaging the finances in your business, today I'm going to give you 6 helpful tips on managing your bookkeeping and making the process easier overall. Bookkeeping tip number 1, do not, and I repeat, do not mix your personal and business finances together. One of the most common mistakes made by business owners, especially in the beginning, is when they don't separate their business transactions from their personal one. Why do you need to separate your personal from business expenses? Number 1, I'll say for tax preparation. Another one is misdeduction. There is a possibility that you might miss some valuable deduction because you weren't properly identifying them. You might have overlooked separating some business expenses from personal transaction and miss some potential tax write-off. Another one is IRS penalty. The worst case scenario is that you end up misclassifying personal expenses as business expenses and the IRS catches it, and then you have bigger issues on your hand. This might result in penalties owed to the IRS for the misrepresentation of your business income. In addition to these reasons, certain entity structure like LLC and C corporation are actually required by the IRS to have separate personal and business accounts. Having a dedicated business bank account separate from your personal account allows you to easily monitor your business expense and help you organize your accounting records. Bookkeeping tip number 2, track your business transactions and keep the supporting documents. First, make sure you keep your accounting record updated and all your business transactions accounted for, whether it's a sell or an expense transaction. Keeping supported documents will help you easily track and record transactions in your accounting record. It also serves as proof if you ever were audited by the IRS. You should hold on to supported documents for at least 6 years, since that's how far the IRS will go. So if you were to ever be audited by the IRS, supporting documents include invoices, receipts, bank statements, wage records, and also your tax file. There are 3 basic filing systems you can use. A paper system, keeping your physical paper record in a safe and secure place. An electronic system, saving documents locally on your computer's hard drive, which require you to scan or download them. Online document storage is another one. Instead of saving into your computer, you have all your documents to the cloud system for better safekeeping. And bookkeeping tip number 3, keep track of your account receivable transaction. Account receivable will represent the amount your customer owe you. Sales are the lifeline of your business, right? So that's how you survive. However, making sales is one thing, but collecting on those sales is another. So it's very important that you monitor your outstanding receivable and keep track of the customers who owe you money. Bookkeeping tip number 4, review your financial reporting on a consistent basis. Whether it's weekly or monthly, you need to be reviewing your company's financial report as a business owner. There are 2 main types of financial reports that you should be reviewing. The balance sheet. This will give you information on asset and liabilities your company holds. This is also going to give you the balance on outstanding receivables or payables that vendors owe you. Next, you have the income statement. It's usually called a P&L, which will tell you your total sales for the month, your expenses, and give you what your bottom line is at the end of the month. And bookkeeping tip number 5 is using an accounting software. Why is accounting software valuable for you? It gives you the ability to access financial information and organize it. It also allows you to prepare and review financial statements, as mentioned in tip number 4. Track your invoices, pay your bills, and perform monthly reconciliation. Reconciliation simply ensures that your accounting records are complete and accurate. Bookkeeping tip number 6 is outsourcing your bookkeeping to a professional. After establishing your own accounting software, you might find yourself too busy or just too overwhelmed by the daily tasks of bookkeeping. That's when you might want to hire a professional bookkeeper or an accounting firm. Outsourcing your bookkeeping might actually be better and more cost effective than hiring an in-house bookkeeper. Outsourced bookkeepers usually charge based on a fixed price or hours worked or even volume of transaction, compared to an in-house bookkeeper who require a full-time wage and benefits. And in addition, outsourcing your bookkeeping will give you peace of mind that everything is being accounted for and done correctly. A professional bookkeeper can handle the heavy lifting for you by entering and categorizing your transaction, by doing your monthly reconciliation for your bank account and your credit card, and also preparing sales invoice and generating monthly financial reports. I hope this video was able to help you, and if you need help with bookkeeping and business tax preparation, click the link in bio for a free consultation. Thank you.